Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I just wanted to pop on here really quick and invite you to a completely different possibility for 2021 and creating your living. What if it can be different? What if you don't have to do all of these resolutions? And what if we can actually create something that works for us with ease and with joy and with the contribution of everything in the universe? So, I'm inviting you to a workshop that starts on January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. It's called Committing to Your Living, committing to your living, not to everybody else, not to figuring out what other people want and making them happy, but to doing what works for you, which includes other people, but it especially includes you. So, just to give you a brief idea, description of what you'll be looking at, we'll be playing with these different energies. When playing small no longer works for you, when hiding is no longer an option, when being pulled into other people's realities isn't fun anymore, when avoiding judgment has to stop, when relationships no longer work for you, when receiving money doesn't make you cringe, when honoring your body becomes a choice, when trusting your awareness is possible, when knowing that you know takes over, and when being you becomes a joyful possibility. So, this is a 2.5 day workshop. It'll be live and online, and there'll be body processes, and there'll be space for you to ask your questions. And what if it's possible for all of us to move forward into 2021, creating way beyond anything that we've ever imagined before? Come and play.